Got it.
You got it. So yeah, that were an easy find. All new houses over there. That's crazy. So yeah, the headstocks, if you look straight ahead, the headstocks were down there. So the old mine was down there. And the tip is over to the right, which we can't really see from here. And then we've got a new build, which seems to be popping up everywhere at the moment. Right, so we found the geocache. It's a gas pipe, but it's not. It's a geocache. That was a pretty good find. So we're out for a little walk and we found a geocache. Put it back. There we go. So, we're out geocaching, folks. And this is our second geocache of the day. Oh yeah, happy with that. Now the thing is with that, what we've just done, that was part of a 500-piece jigsaw that Shelley had been working on. And she really enjoyed doing it because it was a jigsaw of the actual church. So if you're into geocaching and you like doing it, then consider doing the jiggedy ones with the jigsaws, because they are good. Are they called jiggeries? Yeah, because they're called jiggeries, and they are jigsaws that you basically make and then you submit it, and then it shows you the geocache coordinates. So really good. So yeah, really enjoyed doing that. That was a good one. So thanks to the person that made that, appreciate it massively.